got a couple dollars, we can drop it in the gas. Load this bitch in. We can take it to the fast. Attitude adjustment, I got roaches in the ashtray. We don't need no diamonds, we shine in the freeway. As long as you're with me, don't worry about a thing now. Ooh, good vibration. Ooh, good vibration. Ooh, good vibration. Ooh, good vibration. If gratitude's your point of view, then damn, we on the same page. Roll the window down and put your hands out like an airplane, like an airplane. You know what I mean, queen, yeah. Cause we ain't got no money, but we filthy in love. My song is on, I'm turning it up. Cause ain't nobody stressing, we got roaches in the ashtray. We diamonds, we shine on the freeway. As long as you're with me, we ain't gotta worry, no. Ooh, good vibration. Ooh, good vibration. Ooh, good vibration. Ooh, good vibration.
What the hell's going on? You can catch me in the cutting looking slumped up. I'm beating up my demons with some nunchucks. I think I'ma go to sleep in my hoodie. Listen, we might have to fight in the streets for my hoodie. I said, baby, let's a movie, you gotta star in that bitch. Do your own thing, don't make time for the bricks. Why you smoking this tobacco, but she acting so stiff? She said, I should wash my mouth, wash my back and my lips. I need some blueberry pancakes, been fucking up handshakes. I can't afford to pay respect. What the bank says. I'm punch drunk 11 a.m. on a Wednesday. I said slap your landlord if you say they're enslaved. Baby, I'm ashamed to say I fall asleep. In my jeans about 6 days out the week. I've been burning holes in my soul and my brand new fleece. I'm trying to see my ego on that t-shirt, doggy, rest in peace. They be like, oh, you got calm shit, I can barely fun shit. The kids are getting pissy, missy, can't you hear them rumbling? Maybe it's natural, the wind blows and the sun sets. Once in a while I slip up, I get that punch.